say some of the things that we're doing here. What do we do,
So we're offering all things anti-aging, Botox, fillers, PRP injections, PRP microneedling, medical weight loss. If you want some mommy makeovers with Dr. Palladino, you can come see me and I can help get any extra weight that you may want to get off before your surgery to help decrease your surgical risks. We offer facials, pretty much everything you can think of when it comes to anti-aging.
Yeah, we're doing beautiful laser treatments that I know that it gives you a lot of, it actually takes years away. It's pretty amazing. You can have 5 to 10 years off just on a laser treatment, which is amazing. And you can have this at the med spa. And I know, Leandra,
Series of laser treatments.
Series of laser treatments, yes. But even I've seen the results of the patients that we have treated so far, and that's pretty amazing. Even in one treatment, we recommend the full, probably 3, 4, 5, depending. Easy calculation for you. If you're 50, you need 5 treatments. If you're 60, you need 6 treatments. 70, 7 treatments. 40, 4 treatments, right?
Yep. And the best thing with the laser too is that you do these treatments. If you're 60, you get 6 treatments 4 to 6 weeks apart, and in between that time we can do your Botox, your filler, your facials. We stage it in different steps so that you can still get all of your treatments while completing your series.
And Leandra will prepare your skin for all of them, which is
We can create a skincare plan for each of you and make a plan for both of our goals to come together. In skincare, we use ZO Skin Health. We use the best medical grade skincare products. Whether you have issues with fine lines or pigmentation, we can help you.
Here in the back, you can check out the website. This is La Solas Med Spa. You just go on lasolasmedspa.com and check the website, and you can read more about us. As you can see, like we are here. And then hear more of our technology with the lasers, and we have a beautiful relaxation lounge. I'm not sure it's going to be possible to transfer, all these multi-cameras that we have right now to give you a tour of the office, but we will post a tour of the office and post it so you can check it out, because it's pretty amazing. We have an area where you can come and relax and listen to some beautiful relaxation music with noise cancelling headphones and chill out while you get an IV infusion. That's pretty cool. Or maybe you're just numbing, for your next procedure, but you want to do it in a upscale way, and it's super chill and relaxed.
And you can put your favorite Netflix show on while you do it.
That's right. Yeah, definitely.
I can't wait to get my next IV. We have amino acids, vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid. We put B complex, all of our B vitamins, then we add in the B12 to give us a boost of energy, and we can also do a D3 shot in your muscle for immunity boost as well.
Well, I'll tell you, I'm already in the 40s, right? So I really need to start. There's something that nobody will escape, and this is aging, So, but you can do things about it. And this is our specialty. This is what we do about it. We obviously restore the bodies to look back to the pre-pregnancy conditions and pre-weight loss conditions and that. But the other areas of the skin, the face, all of that needs to be
Speak for yourself. I'm not aging. You know why?
Why?
Because I'm in TikTok. I'm going to cross the camera in front because there's no space here. Am I doing this right? Look at this.
You are doing it right.
Look at this. I'm in TikTok. I'm wearing my bathing suit. I'm going to get a BBL. There's a mega discount. You guys, look. You have to look at this, okay? We are 100. Is this all right? There you go.
That's pretty good.
We are 130 followers away from a raffle from 3 amazing prizes. And, of course, here are the girls. You get a facial. You can get Botox and a mystery gift as a 3rd prize. But you have to follow us and write top follower underneath any of our posts, okay?
Yeah. You get our TikTok account, we make it to 1,000. Next time we'll be streaming on TikTok and we'll be doing the raffle. And you guys can get some Botox and a beautiful facial treatment and something else that we won't tell you right now. But let's make it to the 1,000 followers. And we are
we're almost there.
870, so that's awesome. Yeah. So after this, go to TikTok, click follow, write top followers, and then you will get to enter into this raffle. It's gonna be good. But yeah, so anti-aging, this is what we do, and all sorts of immunity boosters. And I think for us, the weight loss is gonna be great because you really wanna. All of our patients need to be on a great BMI, and this is perhaps one of the most common issues and conditions. So now we're gonna hook you up with the med spa so they can give you different tricks and teach you how to start losing weight and to reach your BMI, which is a common concern for most
for
patients.
you guys and your companions. Send us your companions.
Yeah.
You guys are here for surgery.
Yeah, a lot of the ladies bring both, husbands, boyfriends, and we have stats for them too, by the way. Obviously, if your companion is a girl, you're more than welcome and you should be here. We are 1 mile away. In fact, you can walk. It's actually walking distance, although it's a little hot. And the winter is better.
Yeah.
But really, we are very, very close. You check it out. The spot is unbelievable. And if you just want to hang out and get a coffee or something, we'll definitely treat you nice, and you can just see the facilities, see what it is. And then if you're recovering for surgery, this is the best spot to get some IV hydration.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll do hydration at the hotel if we need to, but this is the best spot. This is like chill and relax.
Yeah, and if you're curious or your companion's curious, you can always have them call our office to speak with our office manager, Sonia, who will give you a lovely consultation and help figure out what you may want.
It is, let's see, I have some questions here because I have it here because I can read them all the way there. We're kind of far away now. Let's see.
What facial questions?
Yeah, facial. The face, my God, they're beautiful skin and features. Yeah, I'm talking about you guys. Are you from Brazil? Who? Her?
Beautiful skin. That was me. Was that me?
Ceci also has to come to the med spa. Let's do that.
Thank you so much. I'll take it.
No, Ceci likes to sunbathe. You can tell. That's.
She's a beach girl.
She's a
I'm a
beach
beach
girl.
bum.
Have you guys seen her beach video yet?
Great. Thank you
I
for
know.
promoting that.
TikTok. She is on TikTok.
She's on TikTok.
Thousands of views. Yeah.
Oh Lord.
No, what else? Ceci? So we still need to fund the BBL.
Exactly.
Right, so
This
tell
is-
me about the BBL special. What
Okay,
is it?
so listen. You guys are making fun of me, but this BBL has sold a lot this week, and I was just lying on the beach, and everybody's like, "Girl, you gotta get that." Of course, $5,599 for a BBL. It's a joke, you guys. You know what's the best part? The hotel is included.
You said how much, Cecilia?
$5,599, and the
What?
hotel is included. Are you
That's
listening?
insane.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna book the hotel at that price. You're not gonna find anything in Fort Lauderdale. Listen, this is a four-star hotel, the Courtyard Marriott in downtown Fort Lauderdale. It has an amazing rooftop, so you'll see me lying down there. I don't know if he's gonna give me the BBL or not, but hey, listen, that TikTok video, you guys should go to TikTok. I'm telling you, it's right there.
Don't forget to follow, by the way. That's the whole
Yeah.
point here. And then write top followers so you can participate from the raffle. And yes, it's funny because people call the office to see if we can just honor them the package, not for surgery, just because they want to come and chill out in South Florida. So the package is so good that it's cheaper than the regular hotel rates.
Wait, can I explain what good means? Because if you go to an Airbnb and you try to book a room in Fort Lauderdale, it's more expensive than a night that we give you that includes lymphatic massages. You can call on your own and book, and it's much more expensive than even a room itself. Transportation to and from the clinic to the hotel. I'm sorry that I'm using you as a... And then you have a recovery assistant right next to you like this, like, Leandra, do you need anything? I'm right next to you. Come on, this is like the best deal ever. And you get the BBL with the fluffy butt, curvy, however you want it. Bring your wish pictures. Make sure you don't want to look like this, okay?
Nothing too much longer.
What a luxury. I can have someone next to me while I'm recovering for surgery.
Yes.
Yeah, it's unbelievable, and that really is a huge difference because people really underestimate what it takes to recover, especially from these body procedures. So it's really not something that you want to take lightly, and if you're recovering with somebody, you want to be somebody trained. Leandra, there's a question here that says, what actually works for acne scars?
Acne scars, we recommend doing a series of microneedling with PRP to create trauma to the actual. Oh, we're paused due to poor connection. It's okay. We like doing a series of PRP treatments. We have scar resurfacing with the Fatona laser, and it really depends on your scars. So I can't tell you exactly how many you'll need, but the results that we've gotten so far are really amazing. I've been doing this for quite a few years, and acne scars happens to be one of my favorite treatments to do.
Yeah. What do you know about the multi, like she mentioned, it's not just one thing, right?
Right, so it's really great to tier treatments on. So depending on how deep your scarring is, you may actually need some subcision, where we go internally and subcise those scars. Then we follow it up with the microneedling with PRP, and now we offer an amazing laser treatment, the Fatona 4D, that can really change and improve your results and also hasten your results now that we can stack these treatments on.
Yeah, that is absolutely. And one of the things, certain of these, some of these treatments you can start it during surgery. For example, the subcision of the acne scars. What better way to do it while you're under anesthesia? Because that involves, it could be a little bit painful, and like you can usually tolerate pretty well microneedling with just topical numbing, and even the laser treatment is not as terrible, but subcisions could be, and we have to always numb it. So you can do that during surgery. So if you're interested in any of these procedures, including Botox sometimes, we can always do some of this stuff while you are asleep. And then you can finish your treatment, while you spend the rest of the days here in Fort Lauderdale. You just go recover, and while you're recovering, you can finish doing anything else to your face here at the beautiful Med Spa. So that's actually a good combo. We're gonna start putting these packages for you guys to see. That we're gonna start promoting them along with your surgeries. So you can do. Right now, we're already doing like the facial glow, which includes the microneedling and PRP. During the procedure, and you can definitely do that, and then a lot of hydration and all of that. You can finish it in here. They want us to open another location in Orlando. Well, maybe soon.
I would like that. I would like to be a Disney season pass holder.
That's right. There you go.
I would commute every other week.
We'll do that, and then Faith will treat you there in Orlando, and then go to Disney.
And then go to Disney.
Exactly.
You mentioned hydration. We have the Hydrafacial Md, which exfoliates, extracts, and infuses into your skin all at the same time. This is a lunch break treatment. You can come in and be out of here within an hour, and we can actually show you all of your debris and gunk that comes out of your pores afterwards.
That's right. Yeah, you love that. Actually, it's nice.
They all love to see it.
I know. When they treat you, they do a beautiful hydrofacial, and then you can see how much, stuff that you don't need. It's inside those pores. I think it's very interesting.
Yeah, we have to do you next.
Yeah. It's about time.
Can I say something very important, because our patients are the most important thing? Nobody is left out. We respond all the DMs. The coordinators are a bomb. They're rock stars. DM, Teams, and social media, we respond to everything. Even at 10 o'clock at night, we're responding. Somebody's just saying, I didn't hear back from you guys. Something I'm sure the email that we respond to you is in your spam, so check your folder, please. And if not, you can always write us through any digital outlet like YouTube, Messenger, and Facebook, and Instagram. We always respond, you guys. So just write us at any DMs and say, hey, I didn't get a response. What do I do? And if you give me your name and your email, we can look you up. We contact the coordinator. We're on it. So if you're not thinking that we're giving you the attention that you need, please write us a DM. Something got lost. Technology, sometimes there's glitches in the system. So just send us a DM and we will respond.
Yeah, so there's a question here. It says, do you have a list of prices at the Med Spa? We're putting together a list of prices to be published, but in the meantime, if you want both for surgery and Med Spa treatments, you can always send a free consultation. If it's for surgery, you can go here to the Top Aesthetics, and actually if you're on the Las Olas Med Spa website, you can go here where it says plastic surgery, and then it will take you to the Top Aesthetics where you can do your plastic surgery consultation. But if not, you can always, it says book online, you can download the app, and even book a consultation, you know, through the app that you can download from the App Store or the Google Store or the Android Store. Just download the app, go there, book a consultation, or simply send us an email, info@lasolasmedspa.com or info@topaesthetics.com, and we are happy to send you tell us what you're interested in, send some photos, and then we'll put the best plan for you with prices and everything. So that's the best way, sending a free consultation. And again, free consultation is easy. You can go to the plastic surgery, it takes you to topaesthetics.com for surgery. You can go here to the free consultation, and you can see it up in the screen right there. It says free consultation. You can click that, and then it'll take you straight to the consultation link where you can fill out the information, and we'll send you everything. Here it is. Do you have specials for the med spa?
Absolutely. Your first time that you come in, you're going to get 20% off of your entire service.
So that's awesome, actually. Imagine you're booking one of the series of treatments. You can have a very significant amount of savings. And again, we will put the plan for you. We will tell you everything that is needed to correct whatever you want. But it will be likely a multi-treatment, meaning like it's not just laser or just Botox or just something, because you have to address the different levels of the skin. What is, would you say that it gives you, let's say for wrinkles, what would you do for wrinkles?
So for wrinkles, right, everyone automatically thinks Botox, which is great. But if you are someone who already has static lines, meaning you have a wrinkle at rest without movement inducing the wrinkle, the best thing for you would be starting with laser. And then we can do Botox that same day to kind of do a multimodal approach, right? We target the depth of your skin to try to rebuild collagen, but then we also do Botox to soften the lines and then also prevention for future development and worsening of the lines.
Yeah, so it is a multi-approach, multi-level approach that you want to do for these things, because it's not one thing. And again, like anything else, aging doesn't stop, but we can constantly reset.
Speak for yourself, Doc.
Yeah, Ceci, except for Ceci. Ceci is, ageless. But yeah, actually, aging doesn't stop, so we have to constantly reset it. And if you maintain it, it definitely will delay a lot of your aging, and the aging on your skin.
And I think along with that, we see a lot of patients who come to us and they just had their lips done. They only wanted to pay for 1 syringe of filler, or they only wanted to pay for a half syringe of filler, whatever it may have been, but they want more plumpness. But the time frame that they did it may not be ideal to just put more filler in, or they may not want to buy another half syringe or a full syringe. So our laser actually offers what's called lip laze, where we can naturally plump the lip, give you a little more volume, and do it in steps for about 4 weeks apart to kind of increase that lip volume without making you look extremely, noticeably fake, or may not give you a look that you want. But it's another option rather than just an injectable.
It is amazing. Yeah, and I've seen it already done a couple of times. And the same thing with this lip plump treatment with the laser, you can do a facelift. And it's actually a pretty good lift. It's a serious treatments, but it starts lifting your face or preventing from sagging, which is actually what you want. Once it's too late, by the way. So you have to start this young, so it's important to start maybe with some of these treatments like Botox and things before you have wrinkles. Once you have wrinkles, you're going to improve them, but might not take them away. And the same thing with the sagging. There's this facelift treatment is Fatona 4D, right? That it lifts that's a facelift, and if you do this like in your 40s, you will significantly delay the aging process of your face. So maybe you always look 40, you know, and it is pretty amazing, and it's something that you do every year. At the beginning you probably do 3 or 4 treatments depending on how old you are, and then eventually you can maintain this in a year basis. And they definitely you can sign up for subscription membership and things like that it will be a lot of savings as well by doing that.
And the amazing thing with that treatment also is you're paying for a non-invasive facelift, but with the laser you're also getting skin resurfacing, rejuvenation, collagen buildup that you're not even having to pay for. It's included in the treatment. and targets all these different goals that are amazing,
That's
for
amazing.
anti-aging.
Yeah, and it really, you can treat a lot of areas of your face. Like she says, you can plump the lips, you can treat the wrinkles around your eyes, you know, on the eyelids. You can actually shrink your eyelids if you have a little bit of excess, but you're not quite yet the candidate for a blepharoplasty or an eyelid lift. Then you can do the laser. I definitely do the laser, you know, 100 times before having to do anything. And it's a great combination with fillers too. You know, so you know, we'll do the laser treatments. We'll have your skin respond, and then you revolumize your face with the fillers. And those two things makes like aging really
They
go
go
away.
hand in hand.
Yeah, it is amazing. The volume treatment plus the resurfacing treatment, you're kind of treating both things, you know, kind of the lifting and the volume that you lose.
The lip lace treatment's a great treatment for somebody that's afraid of getting injectables as well, and it's a natural process. It's having your collagen stimulate, which is amazing and natural, similar to PRP and microneedling.
Where are you located? They're asking.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
We are here in the most beautiful place of Fort Lauderdale, which is Las Olas Boulevard. You know, Las Olas Boulevard is one of those, you know, top-notch places where you want to come and do some shopping and do some eating out. You know, it's beautiful restaurants around here, and this is where we are. You know, come by, check the area out, and you will not regret. We're about a 1 mile from the hotel that our patients stayed at the Marriott Courtyard by Marriott. And it's beautiful. You know, if you're gonna hang out here, this is the place to hang out. You know, there's tons of things to do, and a beautiful med spa now. So, is Botox poisonous?
Botox is a neurotoxin. However, the dose to induce paralysis or anything you may really worry about or read about is nowhere near a dosage that we would ever inject on you.
Yeah. So
but it is a neurotoxin, so you have to be careful who you go to.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. You know, on the right dosing is not a problem. There's a story about these people injecting in a Botox party, and they got actually the dilution to treat certain conditions on horses, and everybody ended up in the ICU, and some of people died.
Did they put it on them, or they
yeah,
put
they
it in a
injected
drink, or what?
They inject them, but they have very high dose. The Botox that we use is a very, very small dose, and it's diluted just to treat, obviously, your face and wrinkles. It will not. Maybe it will droop an eyelid once in a while, but you know, that's as bad as it gets. It's not no, it's not poisonous.
And it's temporary side effects, right? Botox only lasts a certain amount of time, so if you dilute it correctly in your anatomy, you know, you want to risk a possible side effect, it's temporary. It will go away with time.
That's right. Do we do Pdo Threads?
We're going to. We don't have them in right now, but yes, we're absolutely
Yeah.
going to.
Yeah, Pdo Threads, definitely it's it's one of those minimally invasive facelift treatments. And it's a great treatment to do in combination with these other treatments that we mentioned. So yes, definitely you could even book your Pdo treatments. We're going to start doing that next month. So definitely, you know, will be available here. Let's see. Tomorrow live in Spanish, maybe.
So, you guys, wait, I just want to say something. If you guys want to jump in, there was somebody asking right now, do you do treatments and people of dark skin or black skin? So, why don't you jump in? We can see your face right now. You have all the professionals here aligned, okay? They can't use my face because I'm 21, so, you know, it's useless. Jump in the live right now. We'll see if somebody wants to call. You can get a free consultation right on the spot. I mean, for the spa or the plastic surgery clinic, if you want to get surgery, you have the doctor here, you have the girls, the models, I might say, huh?
Yeah.
You owe me a coffee and a croissant, both. So you guys jump in, take advantage of that they are here. You can do a free consultation right now.
This is a great question. It says, can you do laser treatments on people of color?
Yes. The Fatona laser that we have was studied on skin types, all skin types. The settings that are recommended have been studied and have been proven safe for all skin types. However, we also don't want to hyperpigment anyone, burn anyone. So whether you're Fitzpatrick 1 or Fitzpatrick 6 of darker skin, we will adjust the laser to make it safe for you. We can decrease the joules. We will make it safe for you, and we'll have the conversation of how aggressive or how less aggressive you want to go, but it is safe for Fitzpatrick 1 through 6.
And we want to make sure you guys are using your sunscreen and medical grade everything.
Yeah.
Everything at home. So that's a huge part of the process. Just like in plastic surgery, if you don't do your part in taking care of yourself after, same thing with skin treatments. It's a team effort on our side and your side every single day at home.
And we'll give you all the information, during your consultation and your treatments. We'll tell you exactly what you need, in order to keep you looking young and, continue to boost your results. What you're investing money in, you want to keep it, you want to maintain it, you want to make it, as long lasting as possible. So that's really, really important, I think, to do the
and
treatment.
That's one of the main reasons that we chose the Fatona was that, South Florida is a very diverse place. We want to be able to treat everyone and offer everyone the same treatments, and the Fatona allows us to do that.
Yeah, exactly. It's one of the, one of the latest or oldest laser technologies studied. So they've been studying this laser for a very long time. And this company is very well established into the market, being one of the oldest and the more robust. And the laser treatments that they have are one of the safest that you can find out there. And laser could be dangerous in the wrong hands or when you have the right preparation or the right laser. This laser uses a type of laser and a certain combinations of settings that allows you to treat all the skin types, in skin color. There's a Fitzpatrick classification for different skin types, and this particular laser allows you to treat everyone, like Dr. Faith said. You can treat pretty much safely all of them. Obviously, the settings vary slightly because you have to adjust it for 4 skin colors. Here it says, can you fix my nose with fillers on the spot?
We can use fillers to fix your nose.
You mean you can fix this nose?
But there are certain, so it's not like a rhinoplasty, right? You have to be an ideal candidate for it. So
am I an ideal candidate for
you
it? He's like, yes.
We can improve
you
it.
Would be.
You have to be reborn. Say it.
You
say
would
it,
be
Doctor.
right. It'll make your nose straighter. It will not make your nose smaller. So if you have a very large nose, you're not going to want more filler in it. You would want a surgical rhinoplasty. If your concern is more asymmetry, then yes, filler can be used. But the goal is right here, the bridge of your nose, because if you want to put the filler in here to decrease risk of blindness and stroke. That is one of the highest risk filler areas. So my recommendation would be you make a consultation and determine if you are a good candidate or not, because you don't want to risk something or get more filler and be dissatisfied in that you wanted your size to change.
Yeah, it's important that we do an evaluation to answer that question. Like the easy answer is yes, we can definitely fix a lot of stuff. You doing fillers in the nose, make it straight, make it still a bit more upward looking, more pointy, and there's a lot of things we can do, but in the right patient. We need to see. That's why it's important to send a consultation. You can download the Las Olas Med Spa app on the App Store, and you can send us and book a consultation right from there, and we can do an evaluation for fillers on your nose. You can come, we can take some pictures and see and tell you, what would be best. Or you can send us an email at info@lasolasmedspa, and definitely we'll let you know. But that's a good question, and yes, we can definitely do stuff with fillers on the nose that does not necessarily require a full rhinoplasty. Now for Ceci, I don't know. Maybe maybe a rhinoplasty would be better, but we should try, Ceci. We should try to see what we can do with it.
But isn't it too big to put fillers here? I feel it's going to be bigger.
No, sometimes if you... So yours is illusion. Yeah, sometimes if you put filler in and make it shorter, it will actually look smaller.
Yeah.
But people who are wider set, then it's a little more complicated.
So what, if I don't like it, can you take it back or I have to live with it until it fades away?
We could dissolve it.
Great, so you're testing my nose with the fillers. This is what you're doing.
Why do you think it's gonna look fine?
It's gonna look great.
It's like Daleen said, it's gonna look better what you have, darling. I'm like, thank you. Right back at you. I love you too.
Okay, so what kind of payments do we accept? So we accept pretty much all types of payment. We do also financing through Care Credit, Alphaeon, and Patient Fi. So there's many ways. If you're interested more in that, just send us your consultation. We'll guide you. We'll put you in contact with the coordinator here at the Med Spa or at the office, and we'll guide you on what's the best financing for you.
And I think that also with financing, with like filler nose questions, the one thing that we're not going to do here is something that you're not going to probably like, and we'll explain everything, you know, what you may look like before, after, and other options. We had a patient come in who usually we do temple filler in older patients, right, as they lose volume with aging. But a patient was genetically hollow in her temples, and she came in more so for cheeks, didn't even think of addressing the temples, and we had a conversation with her, and she said it's the first time that she's really ever been recommended, and it completely, you know, changed her facial aesthetic, and she absolutely loves it and wouldn't go back.
Sometimes when you come to people that does this, you know, and is trained to do this and to do the assessments, you most likely don't realize that you were not thinking about having that done, but doing what we would recommend will actually have a significant impact, even though you had never thought about it or heard about it. You know, that's why it's important just to send us your information and send, you know, do the consultation. A lot of times, even for surgery, patients tell me, oh, I want a breast augmentation. Well, that's not exactly what you actually need, you know, because, you know, if you have kind of a lot of droopy breasts, then you have to actually do a lift, you know, and not just an augmentation. But are things that, in general, you know, if you're not trained to do this, the same thing happens with your aging on your face or your acne treatments or so, you know. So we'll give you the full spectrum of treatments that you will need to have the best result. And we do this a lot, so that's why. Can you fix melasma?
Melasma, we can help melasma greatly using the medical grade skincare products such as hydroquinone, which helps brighten our skin. Using antioxidants, we can do chemical peels. We have a synergistic blend of TCA, glutathione, vitamin C. These are all very brightening agents and ingredients. I've had pretty high success rate helping melasma with microneedling and PRP. The FRAC 3 mode of the Fatona laser, for those of you who don't know, that laser does have 4 different dimensions. It targets all 4 layers of the skin, and we do that starting intraorally, but you can get so many other benefits that also include melasma. So
yeah, the melasma treatment, you know, it also requires a series of treatments to keep the results. And melasma is something that usually tends to come back. Melasma are those hyperpigmentations, area spots that usually happen after pregnancy and then stay there. You know, so you can definitely make them either go away or really lighten up a lot using this multi-modality of treatments, and the laser is really good for that. I mean, I know this particular laser, you know, is amazing for melasma, which is a really hard condition to treat. In general, from all the skin conditions or hyperpigmentation, melasma is one of those that, you know, doesn't go away, unfortunately. You know, and then it's really hard to completely reduce it. But these treatments or this series of treatments will keep it very, very light, to the point that you can barely see it. Let's see. Leandra, I need a peel. What peel is good for postpartum mamas?
Postpartum mamas. The Perfect Derma Peel has to be my personal favorite. I think every single person in this office has taken advantage of it. You really do see a change in your skin within a week. As much as we recommend to do a series of these peels, you do see a dramatic change in brightening of your skin. So that's my favorite one. If you are feeling down after having a baby and you want to pick me up, that would be my recommendation.
That is awesome. And here we have another one that it says, what do you recommend to tighten the jawline?
Okay, so that will be another one where I recommend combination therapies. Threads are amazing, threads are great. And then also jawline filler, it will really contour. You know, everybody loves makeup contour, and we can do that with filler to help chisel the jawline, give you a slimmer look, and that's great.
Yeah, those results with the fillers are great.
Fillers are amazing.
And you know, the laser has also a modality that dissolves the fat, so it really does lipolysis, it's called. And you've never, you know, heard laser lipolysis. So through the skin, what it does it just targets the fat cell and it breaks the fat cells underneath your skin. So it's also used for body contouring. You know, obviously it's not the same as liposuction, but it really treats smaller areas like the areas underneath your chin, areas usually like around the breast area, or even the, you know, love handles if they're not, you know, a very significant or a large portion. Or you can treat them. It's just that the results that you're gonna see, you're gonna see how much reduction you get, and in smaller areas you see it more. So for those on the jawline, doing the laser treatment for lipolysis underneath your chin, which is similar, I guess, to the Kybella, which you can have too. Now, Kybella is also a series of treatments that you should do, but the combination of fillers plus the laser treatments plus minus PDOs, if you need that, will definitely create a very, very aesthetic and nice jawline. And this is the multi-modality approach which works best.
Can we take a little break?
Take a break.
Because we have to promote my butt that is right now in TikTok. If you guys want to support me and co-found me, if you want to fund me, I'm sorry, and help me with my BBL, I'm in TikTok right now. If you really consider that I need a BBL, you should go to our online store. This is the handle of TikTok. Am I putting this right now? Yes. You can go to TikTok. Sorry, girls. You can hold this. It's better in the middle. You can go to TikTok. You can follow us and write top followers under any post of mine. That would be best because people would know that you're supporting me. And if you really think that I need a BBL, you should go to our online store on topaesthetics.com. Right. Click on the online store. We have a bunch of cool, awesome, fun stuff. And you buy a lot of things. And after you buy a bunch of things, my BBL is free. Huh? Right on. I like this. You guys, TikTok, we're 130 followers away from 1,000 followers that we want to launch like our lives in TikTok. And then there's a raffle of 3 prizes. You can get fillers, Botox with these wonderful ladies. The 3rd prize is a mystery prize. I'm not going to say what it is. Maybe it's a free rhinoplasty, a BBL for me. We don't know yet. Thank you.
It's not for you. Do I need surgery for my eyelids or the med spa? Or can you fix this at the spa with fillers and Botox? Well, we don't know until we see your picture. Or maybe you want to jump in here in a call and we can actually interact. But I tell you that it's important if you're interested in any of these treatments that we're mentioning, especially if it's for the head and neck or the face, send us a picture of your face and we can tell you. Tell us what you're interested in, and we will tell you if it's something that we can do in combination with surgery, or is it something that you're going to be, it's be more beneficial to do at the med spa. Now it's going to be very convenient because you're coming here, you're going to recover from whatever surgery you're going to have, and then you can also recover from whatever treatments you're going to have. And by the time you go back, not only that your body will look great, but your face will look amazing. So, it's a good combination. Some of the treatments, again, we can do them during surgery. So to avoid, for example, the poking or, so those things that could be slightly painful while you're awake. But the other treatments, that's another thing that we have here, and we have put a lot of attention to make the experience as good as it could. So we're going to do some numbing medicine. We have certain tricks so these treatments will be pleasant and not painful, because we actually want you to come back. If we give you a lot of pain or treat you bad, then you will not come back. So we paid a lot of attention on that. And we have a good of options available for you to, not experience a lot of pain.
The laser also has an application on it called Smooth Eye, which if you're not really wanting a surgical bluff yet, we can start you off with the laser. It helps with discoloration, lifting, not to the degree that a surgical bluff would, but it may be enough to give you relief in the years that you may want to put the surgery off.
It takes half an hour. It treats upper and lower eyelids, and it's very, it's pretty amazing. The results that you see on that is huge.
Okay, so I don't know a lot about this. I'm learning as I go with them because I have no idea what PRP even was before I entered this place. But I do have somebody that came and got a treatment here, and I want to show this picture to you guys. Divine Leandra's next to her. This is Annabelle and Leandra. I'm going to get close to the camera so you can see her treatment. She was laughing. She looks very bloody right now. I'm going to get near to the camera. She got PRP. Okay, I hope this is coming out.
What do you think?
I have a 12 mini. I'm sorry I'm crossing you guys like this rudely. Okay, she got PRP the other days. And of course, this is her the day after. This is a process, okay? She's wearing makeup here anyways, but this is her process. But she looked pretty good after getting this session done. And this is her first session, okay? So when I saw her, it makes me wonder, should I come here?
Absolutely.
And you guys want to treat me. I don't need a lot
It's
of
about
treatment.
time,
but-
Ceci. You're not getting any younger despite of what you
Listen,
say.
you want me to tell you a story very short? I wasn't online dating like everybody else, 99% of society. And I have good pictures, recent ones, but of course it's a picture. When I saw him in the day, he's like, look, you're beautiful, but your skin looks much older than in your pictures. I'll leave it at that.
You said that to them?
He said that to
Oh
me.
my god, that's...
That was brutally honest.
That's
I take
pretty
it.
rude.
He said that to me.
And the first day?
The first date.
No.
There was not a second, you guys.
Oh my goodness.
Honest person. No, Ceci, but I do believe that, you know, nobody can escape aging, especially
No.
if you have been exposed to the sun for a long time.
Yeah.
But the alternatives today to do anti-aging things are pretty amazing,
Are amazing.
you know, and yeah, and the treatments, they really, I mean, here, our patients are red for like 2 or 3 days, especially when they get, for example, the microneedling during the surgery, and then that goes away and your skin glows, you know, it literally glows. And you can do that, you can just come back here and finish your treatments or, you know, do some facials before you leave, and believe me, your skin will be different. Your facial skin is, yeah.
Yeah, we're
completely
speeding up your
transformed.
cell turnover. It's a form of resurfacing, and specifically for Annabelle, the picture, don't let it scare you guys. Not everyone
She was
looks
laughing,
like that.
actually.
She was laughing.
She
during
was
the
laughing. She
entire
never had
treatment.
pain. It was amazing. I wonder if Jennifer Lopez gets all these treatments because her skin is very young.
She
too.
says
She's like 50.
it's olive oil.
I don't believe this.
Do you guys know this?
This I don't
It's
believe it.
olive
I'm
oil.
sorry.
But if you see, there's pictures of her like squinting, and she has the lines like I do, and then a recent picture of her, she's
She promotes a skincare line.
Yeah.
So it's not olive oil. You know.
She gets Botox. She gets all of it. Come on,
gets
she's
it all.
impossible at that age. She has that skin.
She gets it
Impossible.
all.
So what's the difference between Botox and fillers, they're asking?
So Botox is a neurotoxin. It targets muscular movements mostly to cause decrease in muscular contraction, to decrease wrinkle development, depth of wrinkles, also softens lines, can help with skin rejuvenation and texture. So a lot of people have smoker's lines or those stubborn underline wrinkles. We can do microtox, which is more superficial of an injection to target those lines and help resurface them.
Yeah.
Whereas filler is more for volume enhancement and more lifting. So as we get older, as we age, we lose volume and fat and bone, and filler helps kind of mask that but also stimulate more collagen depending on the type of filler you use. Whereas Botox won't give you volume replacement or lifting.
That's right. There's patients that age more into the volume side, so they deflate, their face deflates, and there are patients that do, you know, have more wrinkles or sagginess. So there are two different things and conditions, and you can treat it differently, obviously, you know. So for the volume, for the one that, and some unfortunately do both. So, you know, so if you need both, then you need the volume replacement with fillers, and then obviously the wrinkles treated with the Botox or alike, you know, to the toxin, so they paralyze your muscle. But a lot of times patients confuse those two because they don't know what they are or what's the difference, you know, and
Right.
and yeah, and I think, you know, in general we call them injectables, and we put them all in the same group, but they're, you know, way different.
And I think that people also forget about PRP injections. So, you know, if you're younger, and for example, for me, I'm genetically hollow on my tear troughs under my eyes, so my dark circles are more prominent, but I'm not someone who necessarily wants filler under my eyes just yet. So what I do is PRP injections under the eye, where we take a cannula to decrease bruising, and we put it under the eye and we inject PRP. So it's your own natural blood products. It's not filler. It'll help cause tissue damage to re-stimulate tissue growth and volume restoration. So not only can we do it in your tear troughs, we can also do it in your cheeks. We can do it in your jawline. We can do it in your nasolabial fold. So depending on how young you are, and you may not be at that step where you want filler just yet, but you're genetically hollow and these lines follow you, we can do the PRP.
We better start soon because they're not getting any younger, you know, as much as we can do. And now I'm going to start scheduling, you know, by the way, so let me see if I can do it here. Maybe I'll do it for you. So let's try it. Let's try. Maybe I don't know if it's available for iPad, but can you guys see my screen over there? Enable notification. No. Okay. I'm going to look for the app to see. Let me see if it works. Olas Med. There you go. So it appears Look at that.
Wow.
Go there, get the app. So once you get the app, it's gonna allow you. It's gonna ask you to sign in. Oh, I have to do this.
What if you don't remember your password?
Anyway, yeah. So you just get the app from the App Store and then make an account. You can make an account with a Google account, and then it's going to easy. So you can set up your appointment and then just go from there. That's what I'm gonna have to start doing. So I don't want to.
You can also click directly on the website to book an appointment.
Oh yeah. So here on the website, see, book online. I'm gonna make it again over there. It's pretty clear in the corner right there. Oh, you can call us, but it's
or they can do a walk-in too, which is good too.
Oh, walk-ins are the best because
Are
we
welcome.
can show you around. So asking about hydrofacial, what is actually, what do you get with the hydrofacials? What are the benefits? What do you treat usually?
So the Hydrafacial is great for any skin concern whatsoever, and like I said before, we use the real Hydrafacial Md machine, which a lot of other places do not have the real Hydrafacial device. It does infuse, extract, and exfoliate all at the same time with the patented technology that they use and that we use here, and we use a series of different serums that we're infusing that are cleaning your skin, that are using salicylic acid, willow bark, glycolic acid, and these are all going to help with your skin's turnover.
So we have an amazing team, as you can see here, very experienced professionals here with Dr. Faith Finoli, who has been injecting for 4 or 5 years now. Leandra has been doing this for a very long time. She actually is working on a line of skincare products, developing at a very, very deep level of scientific level, all these things. So we are very happy that they are with us here at Las Olas Med Spa. If you, if the good thing about our clinic is that we can offer the broad range of services, because not only that we can do all these rejuvenation processes and treatments and services, but we can, once you have to go more advanced and go to surgery, then we have those services available as well. And it's always about having the good combination. If you're aging, you definitely, and if you're past the point that these minimal invasive treatments can help you, then we will help you with the more invasive treatments. But then we will keep your results by doing these minimal invasive treatments, so you don't have to do it again. So, and you're gonna keep younger. So we will reset your clock, your kind of biologic clock on aging. So I think we are pretty much done. We are at the hour, and then we will do this again, and show you more. I definitely invite you to visit our TikTok account at the real_top_aesthetics. There you go. So make sure you follow us there and to top follower to participate from
Funding my BBL.
Funding and rhinoplasty. And go follow Las Olas Med Spa also on Instagram, and you will see the things that we do here and the treatments that we offer. And we have a 20% special if you're interested. If you're considering surgery and you have not thought about these other treatments, let us know when you send us your consultation for your body procedures. Let us know, and we will let you know what's best for you. And you can definitely come here, you and your companion. Come and check out the place. And if you are from the area, Fort Lauderdale or Miami or Boca Raton or Palm Beach, come over and check it out in this beautiful place here in Las Olas. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. If you have any questions, let us know, and we will see you soon
Thank you
next
guys.
week.
Thank you.